Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make taro chips. So let's get started. I've got here 2 taros, a dish with some cold water, some oil for frying and salt to taste. Take 1 taro at a time, cut the ends off and cut it in half. Now take 1 half at a time and cut it into thin slices about 1 centimeter in thickness. Repeat this with the remaining taro. Now take 1 slice at a time and peel the skin off. Repeat this with the remaining slices. Put this aside. Now cut each slice into chips. You can cut them as thick or as thin as you like and put them in the dish with water. Repeat this with the remaining slices. Now put this aside while we get our hot salted water ready to cook our taro. To cook our taro, take about 5 to 6 cups of water in a pot, add 1 teaspoon of salt, put it on medium heat and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, add the taro chips and boil it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drain the liquid and put it aside while we get our oil ready. To fry the chips, take some oil in a wok or fry pan and heat it on medium heat. When the oil gets hot, add half the chips and fry them for 5 minutes or until you get a light golden brown color. Give it a mix from time to time to make sure they cook evenly. Take them out and drain them on some paper towel. Repeat this process until you have finished frying up all the taro chips. I've finished frying up all my chips. Sprinkle the chips with salt and shake them well. My taro chips are ready. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.